Today's What's in the Box brings us something from Shadow Creations. It is the Tall Man from Phantasm, an amazing bust that was sculpted by Jeff Yeager, and we'll talk more about that in a second. But I haven't opened it yet. It just came in the mail, so I'm going to do a quick edit, do a little slice, and open up this box, and we'll see what's in there. If you haven't seen Phantasm yet, that's your homework. It is probably, I think, one of the greatest horror series of all time. If there was a Mount Rushmore of horror movie villains, the Tall Man is definitely on there. I think probably, well, 70s and 80s movies. The Tall Man, maybe Freddy Krueger, Jason Voorhees, Leatherface. They are those are the people that should be on that. So let me get this opened up. Ooh, we have peanuts. Wait a minute. Ooh, this is pretty. I thought it would just be parts in this box, but there's actually another box. Let's get these out of the way. What's in here? Oh man. Box art. Heck yeah. Oh, I gotta pour these peanuts out. Ooh. Ooh. This is stuffed in here. I almost have to cut the box to get it out. Hold on. What is happening? Get out of the box. All right. Don't care. I'm having trouble. Ruined a perfectly good shipping box. All right. Whew. Ta-da. All right. There we go. Peanuts everywhere. All right. Phantasm from Shadow Creations. If this doesn't scare you, you're already dead. 1/4 scale, sculpted by Jeff Yeager, base sculpted by Mark Van Tine, who we just had on as a guest this past episode. So some more of Mark Van Tine's work. Again, produced by Shadow Creations. Let's... Uh-oh. What do I do? What's the... What do I do? All right, this came off pretty easy. Good, it was just like double-sided tape. I'm gonna save that. That's pretty good. Okay, let's get into the kit. And we'll flip over to the other camera here in a second. Flipped over. You can see all the peanuts everywhere? For the purists in their garage kit collecting who are worried, I just go ahead and open boxes. Yes. All right, we have a Shadow Creations card. We have a drop knife. Ooh, here's the base. So we're going to head and take some tape off. So here's the base. I'm just ripping and wrecking. I don't care. All right, there's the base. Ooh, nice. Okay. I like this. So you have this, that's pretty hefty. That's a good chunk of resin. Okay, put it, there's the base. You got your minions on the side. If you've never seen the movie, you need to go see it so you understand what's happening here. This is really cool. Well done, Mark Van Tine. Let's just do a spin around. Nice. Simple base, but effective. Has part of the story in there. Let's see what else we got in the box. A couple pieces. All right. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Let's open this last. All right. This is the Tall Man himself. Again, 1/4 scale, so it's a nice chunk of resin. Not a lot of building here, which is nice. Ooh, this feels so good. Wow. Let's set this to the side. Look at that likeness. That is dead on Angus Scrimm. Boy. So you get a shot of the head. Let me turn off one of the lights so it's not as... There we go. That is gorgeous. Nice, solid casting. I'm so used to holding 3D prints. As of right now, this feels so good in your hand. So there's Angus Scrimm as the Tall Man. fits neatly, plugs just right in there. Let me hold this up, put it next to my big head so you kind of get a size comparison. That is a gorgeous piece. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I couldn't be happier. Let's open this other part. Slice my finger off. Dun, dun, dun. That plugs in right here to give you the effect of him, you know, kind of holding it like this, which I'm not sure, and this is maybe a me thing. I don't know if I like just the kind of tacked on hands, or it should have that kind of elbow to it. I almost want to fill that. I don't know. It's going to be hard for me. Because I love the sphere. We got the sphere. And this, you know, it's got the sphere. It's got the blades, which I am not going to open because I will lose them. But it goes like this. It holds there. This sits in his hand. And you got, of course, you get that kind of look to it. So let's go back to the box art. This is what it looks like. Let me punch back to just me. This is what it's looking like. He's kind of got the sphere in his hand, which is cool. I'm not sure, though, if I'm going to do that or not. I mean, I like it, but I almost like the, like the kind of classic, just Mozart, just simple bust of this sitting on that tower. Maybe I'll make it so I could remove it if I want. Let's get this. Let's go back to me. So this is what's in the box. This is a well done, Shadow Creations, Jeff Yeager and Mark Van Tine. What a gorgeous, gorgeous bust. Wow. It's awesome. Like, I wish, let me get right. Can you get right in there? You see him? Hurrah! Boy. That's cool. Let me flip back. So yeah, again, it was, you know, it's been a long time coming. I'm very happy that a company chose to do something a little more modern. It's modern now is like ancient, but you know, you're so used to seeing the Frankenstein, Dracula, Wolfman kind of stuff. To get into more of these type of characters, I think is a great way for companies to go, for people who are my age that truly appreciate stuff like this. And it's just gorgeous. And the casting, there's barely any, I think you can maybe see it. I might have to drop this light off so you can get it a little better. You can see there's a tiny mold line there that's easily removed with a little bit of sandpaper. Same on this side, but man, is that well done. Well done. Couldn't be happier. Tall Man kit. And there you have it. That was another What's in the Box. This time it was the Tall Man. We'll see everybody later on the next What's in the Box. Well done, everybody. I'll leave the contact information down below if you want to pick up your own. That is the way to go. I don't know why my lights are just blowing things out today. Let's turn this off and see what it looks like. That actually looks a little better. You can see it a little bit better. The details aren't as blown out. Cool.